These kitchen sink cookies were gone in like a day and a half. They are seriously so good. Chocolate chips, pretzels, caramel, M&Ms, potato chips, and sea salt on top. They're seriously everything you're craving in one bite. To make them, whisk together your melted butter and brown sugar and then add in both of your eggs. Once that mixture has thickened and is nice and smooth, you can add in your vanilla. Whisk that together and then I just sift in my dry ingredients. So that'll be flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. And then you can just fold it all together until your dough forms. And then you can move on to the best part, which of course is the mix-ins. I added chocolate chips, caramel bits, M&Ms, pretzels, and potato chips. So if you love sweet and salty, you're gonna love these. Get it all mixed in, and then you can start scooping out your cookies. Then you're just gonna pop them in the oven. Right when the cookies come out of the oven, you wanna top them with some flaky sea salt. This just adds to the sweet and salty combination. It's so good. And you're done. These cookies really do have everything but the kitchen sink in them. And actually you can change up the mix-ins however you like. You can swap the chocolate chips for white chocolate chips or butterscotch chips. You can add in nuts or toffee bits or even oats for some texture. The point is you can do whatever you want and they're still gonna be delicious. I really hope you like them. Get this full recipe at my site, ShanaeToday.com.